What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the event that everybody said is not happening, and as you can clearly see, it's happening. Yes, sir. Mustang Week 2019. We are at the meet and greet setup and ready to rock. Let's go. Retro Meat shirt. Sir, I see you have a Retro Meat shirt on. Is the Retro Meat on for tonight?
Yep, tonight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And of course, Harris Lou. Harris Lou. Okay. We're being a little dramatic. Yes, we're rooming together, but we're just. I appreciate it.
Shout out to Roush.
Shout out to Roush Racing. They didn't run home scared like all the other vendors did. Oh, I'm gonna get hate mail for that one. But yeah, guys. So we're at the.
Gotta get a picture of the man doing his thing. There's the thumbnail right there. thumbnail quality.
Exactly. So we're here at the meet and greet. We didn't leave. We're still here, and tonight is the Retro Meet.
It is the Retro Meet.
So video will be coming shortly.
Yes.
Tonight.
Yeah.
Yes.
Video from him. Video from hopefully other people.
Hopefully.
Some of our vendors stayed home, but we still got some great people like LMR and CJ's. And UPR, Cervini's,
NPD, Foxcast
NPD,
Media,
Foxcast, Earps Auto Detail. The list is immense this year. We had a huge ton of support, and we're going to try to give them the best show possible. Unfortunately, Vaughn had to stay home, but the best smoke show tonight went the Retro Meet chain. So,
dude, I'm on tire tonight, so we might be able to. I might be able to cheat a little bit.
Yeah, he gets to take it home on a trailer, so he might have some tires to burn.
We'll just burn them off. Why not? So.
I'm out here shooting for Muscle Mustangs too, so shout out to them.
Yeah.
They couldn't get their regular photographers here, and I do a little side work for them. So
all the people that aren't here, we're here. I don't get it.
Well, that's why they call us.
Yeah, so. Exactly, because they know we do work.
We also didn't get kicked out of our house. Thank God.
True. Yeah.
Shout out to the landlord too.
Exactly. The landlord was cool. So yeah, to be fair, a lot of people did get run off of their place, but
we're still here and we're not going anywhere.
Right.
Like I said, we're making lemonade out of lemons, and so far it's tasting pretty good.
Exactly. Surbinator Auto Designs in the house. Say what's up, G.
What's up?
Guys, we're just excited to be here.
They let us stay.
You see what happens? You walk away from the booth for 5 minutes.
I had to come support.
Yeah, dude, what's up? Okay, so we saw a video last night on Facebook, and there was word that this guy was behind the wheel, like just smoke show all night long.
Absolutely, yeah. Awesome the keys and
that is awesome. Yeah, so Mustang Week celebration for sure.
Absolutely.
Uh-oh, we got some Fox noise coming. Alright guys, so walking around the meet and greet, absolutely freaking killer event. And as you can see, this place is absolutely packed. Gorgeous weather, everybody's having a blast. And then there's the Mustang Week 10 over there. And yeah, good times. Good times. Everybody's getting a little shade over there. Having a blast. And guys, I gotta show you this Mach 1. And I'm not really like a stance kind of guy, but this thing was pretty freaking sweet. I was killing it on the shirts over there. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this Mach 1. I'm sorry, I am. Thing is in the dirt. Yeah, alright guys, so I had to stop by. I got to meet this guy earlier. I couldn't remember his name, but this thing, okay, there's his Instagram. Stop by and give him a follow, 1650. Car came out really nice. Super clean Fox body. And then my buddy Andy over here, he's not by the car. He's probably up there getting ready for the announcement here. Got his mint bone stock two-tone GT. Beautiful car and a premium subscriber. And then this is John's car, in case you were wondering. It's got all the nitrous and Pony R's, a little bit of chrome, you know. Too much, way too much. That's pretty badass right there.
We have to look at our safety. So we'd already canceled, or Trax had already canceled Wednesday, Thursday. We have officially canceled Friday and Saturday. Here's the reasoning. Please understand that Myrtle Beach Convention Center is built to withstand over 150 mile an hour. It's more than that. It's a category 5 that it can withstand. And so it is the primary shelter for Horry County in the case of flooding or storm damage. We cannot anticipate what this storm's going to do. I can't forecast what it's going to do. Jim Cantori has no clue what this storm is going to do, outside of the fact that it is spinning where it's spinning right now. That being said, the forecast and all tracks show it moving up the coastline. It's going to most likely produce up to a foot of rain here over between Wednesday and into late Thursday.
All right, guys, so long story short, just for lack of knowing if things could flood, you know, what could happen. After the retro meet tonight, being Tuesday, the Mustang Week is canceled for the year. And it kind of sucks. Like, I'm kind of frustrated. Like, I would still have come knowing this. I would still have come. But you know, it stinks because you can't control the weather, and you wait all year for an event like this. But it's all good. I mean, look at this. We could be at work, you know, or we could be at home watching TV, or we could be here. So pretty sure I'd be here. All right, guys, like I was saying, knowing what we know now, that after today Mustang Week is over, would y'all still have come?
Absolutely. Yep.
Like
100%.
Exactly. I know you came from Arizona.
Yeah, 36 hours.
Ohio. And of course, we're all kind of.
I'm Charleston.
Yeah. And where are you from?
Northwest Ohio.
Northwest. Okay, so he's from Ohio. I'm from West Tennessee. And yeah, consensus is we would still have come because, I mean, what are we gonna do? Watch TV and like shit at the house? Yeah. Or be here? Yeah, like, or be here. So
Always be here.
Exactly. So regardless of what happens, we'll see everybody next year. It's gonna be like, I can't like planning now.
Yeah.
Definitely. so the wind is picking up a little bit and the tent's like about to blow away. Got the wife holding down the other corner, and everybody's kind of clearing out, but we're gonna go ahead and get shut down. The next upload you guys will see will be the retro meet at Suck Bang Blow tonight. Gonna be an absolute phenomenal time. Cannot wait for that. And then after that, who knows, kind of win a bust on content for this week, simply because so many people didn't come and none of the events happened. So we'll drop back and punt, but I will have more uploads for you. That I can promise you. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And so long from Mustang Week.